September the 24th, and Mason is out riding a corn harvester, I guess you would call it. And he's up there in the cab with Daddy. And this is gonna be so cool! There he goes! Wowzers! He's gonna ride a corn harvester! Check it out! Cool! There they go! That is a super duper piece of equipment right there. Oh, yay! Oh. There it goes. Mason is officially harvesting corn. That is so cool. That is so cool. He is like so stoked. They're up the field with Jason and Daddy. And they are harvesting the corn. You can see how big it is. So cool. They're mowing down the corn and they're going to come back here and shoot all the corn out into the dump truck. There's little May. Look at him. He's in there with Jason and Daddy. How cool is that? Cool beans. He's gonna drive. Mason is driving. Look at that. He's driving on the steering wheel. He's got his hands on the steering wheel. There he goes. Wow, that's cool. He's driving it. Too cool. There they are. May. There's little man. Look at him. How cool is that? We're going to go down there and dump our corn into the dump truck. There goes the arm. It's going to put the corn into the dump truck. And Mason's moving his big rig closer and closer. Here it goes. This is going to be so cool. We're going to dump it. Mallory, Mason's going to dump some corn into that dump truck. There comes the corn. Wowzers. That is so cool. Check it out. Mason and Mr. Jason and Daddy are in there dumping corn.